Well, damaged appliances and spikes in burglaries. This is the fallout of power cuts, according to the South Africa Insurance Association. It says consumers who ultimately carry the costs are actually suffering the most here. Our senior reporter Barry Bateman has more.
It's the on and off of power supply and the associated power surges, which destroy home appliances and electronics. And for those insured, someone has to pick up the cost. The South African Insurance Association's Kabelo Paile says blackouts also result in a spike in crime.
The increase in burglaries could be due to your security systems being compromised, being your alarms or camera systems. We do see an increase in motor accidents. We know that when the traffic lights are out, whether it's load shedding or rain, driving can be a bit difficult. We do see a lot of power surge claims come through which are covered due to obviously the load shedding.
But how much is it costing the industry? Paile says it's difficult to say.
The costs are accumulated. This is ongoing. The risks are vast. And if you look at it, it affects the whole country and the whole day, just at different stages. So this is a systemic risk to the industry and the country as a whole. And we cannot even begin to quantify the loss of future revenue that will be lost due to those businesses that do not make it through because of load shedding.
Economist Mike Schussler says the cost can be calculated when comparing car insurance to home insurance.
And at the moment, car insurance has had no increase whatsoever over the last year for the average person, whereas homeowners insurance is up around 3%. So that gives you the idea that's where the insurance companies are seeing more claims. And the short-term insurers obviously will keep this data, and it's becoming clear that the electricity supply switching on and off, load shedding, if you wish, is starting to hurt consumers.
The advice to consumers: double-check your policy schedule to make sure you're covered for the negative impact of power cuts. Barry Bateman, Johannesburg.